Hi, I'm Missy Jerfita with Compass. Welcome to 1510 Brandon in Glenview. Walking in, you feel quality and warmth. Brandon has a fabulous floor plan, high-level finishes, and beautiful millwork throughout. Take a look at the two-story family room with built-ins and a custom fireplace. I love the white kitchen with breakfast area looking over the amazing outdoor space. One of my favorite features is the his and her office with the custom built-ins. Upstairs, we have a master suite with large walk-in closet, an additional 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The lower level is one of a kind. Multiple TVs, rec area, additional bedroom and bath, bar, and wine cellar. This is truly a beautiful home. If you have any questions or would like a private showing, give me a shout.